So we have some butternut or white walnut. And I noticed on this piece, and this I don't think I've seen this before. If I have, it's not very often. And that is, notice the fine holes. Obviously, some bugs are in there or were in there. And notice where it is. It's where the outer layer right below the bark is. I think it's the cambium layer. So they like that. Now, typically, I haven't really seen them bother butternut. But I decided to, this piece I'm not even going to save because I noticed I still see a couple small spots. So I decided it's not worth taking the chance. I don't want to build something and then have bugs chewing it up. Now, here's another piece of butternut. And this is what I normally see, is this type of hole. First of all, they're bigger. Notice how they're black. So I guess that tells us they're old. And these I've seen in butternut, and I've never seen activity later. So this piece I'm going to keep, I'm going to use. That piece I'm going to discard. So that's the difference. That's what you need to look for. And this is just butternut. So each wood is different, but this is butternut or white walnut. Beautiful wood. And when you put oil on it, it looks really good. It is a softer wood. If you were to write on this with a pen, you could definitely put marks in it. So you need to remember that when you're using. I wouldn't use it for a countertop. It is much softer, even softer than black walnut. Black walnut's harder than this. But it's a beautiful wood, has lots of character. And if the wormholes, if the bug holes look like this, I've kept them in it and have not seen activity. But you need to decide what you are willing to try and try to get away with. That I would not try to get away with. Okay, let's keep cutting. We're took a bunch of our cutoffs and we're putting a straight edge on them. And some will go for the ping pong table the way I'm seeing it, and the others I'll do one of those little tabletop elevated stacked leg design, or maybe an end table. So I have lots of them here. I just thought I'd just start going through the pile and examining each board, and if there's anything that looks suspicious, it turns into heat. Okay, let's get the mask on, the music on, and let's get cutting. Oh, and just a follow-up. I did that video on the silicone I used to hold the pulley on. And one reason I use silicone is because silicone could take a lot of heat. It doesn't seem to affect it. And I did that test when I put silicone in the fire from our Geico roof, and it didn't do anything to it. It's amazing. It turned the red hot ashes black. But boy, when I pulled it out, that thing was hot, super hot. So this has not moved, so I'm very excited. I mean, maybe my days of pounding that thing back on and tightening it up are over. I can only hope. Okay, let's get cutting. Got some beautiful oak here. We got some nice white ash. Got the dark going through it. And we're back to red oak. We got a lot of red oak, which is great. And here we have some white ash, which they're dying, but the red oaks are doing well. And some butternut, and then some red oak. Okay, let's get cutting.